how different is my life now than what I expected it to be in college? Oh my goodness, Katrina, these are amazing questions. So my life is totally different than I expected when I was in college. So I went to college for computer science, and I kind of had half an idea that I would go become work for a business, like work for a company like my parents. My parents met at AT&T Bell Labs back in the day. So they were company workers all the way through. And I just kind of assumed I would build software and work for a company and do that for like 30 years. And then I worked at NASA. So I got to be an intern at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland for a summer. And that was a game changer because I saw people having a lot of fun and getting paid a lot of money and not like, it didn't feel like work. And so that sent me to grad school. And I didn't know how to code yet anyways. I didn't feel comfortable applying for jobs. I had no confidence, total imposter syndrome. And so when I went to grad school, I was like, okay, I'll be a professor. But it didn't quite fit. I might have stuck with it, but there weren't high paying professor jobs near where I wanted to live. And I also realized at the same time that I could do better than what I was doing at the university to help teach people faster and more efficiently and better. And so I knew that software engineering as a field needed a different educational solution. So I stepped outside of that. So now I've started a business. Oh my goodness. And for my first business, I chose to start a school. I go all in for better or worse. And so here we are today. But yeah, no, I had no idea that this is where I was going. I did have for half a second when I was finishing up my PhD, I almost became a jazzercise instructor. But you know what would have happened? I probably would have started my business a lot sooner. So, in hindsight, again, it doesn't always make sense. We were just talking about this earlier. It doesn't always make sense. We go where we're guided.